Hey guys, how's it going? So this video is a little bit of a clickbait, but if GameStop can get a partnership deal with Sony with the PlayStation 5, I think GameStop stock would explode to the upside. Like they can have a similar deal with Microsoft where every single console that GameStop specifically sells of the PlayStation 5, they will get they would get a little bit of money from every digital sales that come from PlayStation 5, over the course of, maybe like a 2 or 3 year deal. That would be really good for GameStop stock, or even lifetime deal. That would be extremely awesome for GameStop stock, because right now GameStop has no motivation to sell a digital PS5 because it makes no sense to their business. They would lose money. They would lose money on physical game sales and trade-in sales. But with Microsoft, they don't care what they sell, because Microsoft guarantees the money regardless of what the consumer buys. It's either, physical game or digital game. They make money either way. But with Sony, they don't. So if GameStop can make some kind of deal with Sony, nobody would be bearish on GameStop. Nobody. Everyone would be like, okay, GameStop survived. And I think the stock could go back to its all-time high of $50 easily. If they can make some kind of deal with Sony. It might conflict with the current deal with Microsoft. Microsoft might not want GameStop to make a deal with Sony, but again, if that was the scenario, then Sony couldn't be able to sell PlayStation 5s in GameStop stores. But so in theory, they could still make a deal unless the contract between Microsoft and GameStop is binding and it says that you're not allowed to make a deal with Sony because you are making a deal with us because of conflict of interest. If that's the scenario, it didn't really say anything in the article, but in the contract that GameStop signs with Microsoft, there might be a deal, conflict of interest with Sony, so GameStop might not be able to do it. But if they were able to do some kind of deal with Sony, oh man, this stock would explode to the upside. But, whatever. And today I made a ton of money off call options. Yesterday I bought 100 call options of GameStop, 5 cents at 100 shares. 100 contracts, 5 cents at $15 call. I sold out today at 400% profit. Very, very happy with my decision because the stock exploded to the upside and I made a ton of money on GameStop stock. I started off all my call options already for a pretty decent profit, so I'm really happy with the money I made off GameStop. I don't know what GameStop's gonna do ultimately at the end of the day, but I'm holding on to my shares long term, and I'm definitely going to be playing around with the options. So if the stock spikes up massively, I might buy some put options, and if the stock crashes, I might buy some call options. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, but that's how I plan to play GameStop. If I see like a big massive spike up, I might buy some put option, and if I see a massive pullback, I might buy some call options. And that's my plan for GameStop. But yeah, very, very happy with today's movement. Made a lot of money, like a lot of moolah today. Like seriously, I made so much, including Afria too. I bought some put options. I bought 50 put options yesterday on Afria, and I sold out for 300% profit today because Afria just kept tanking. So I made a lot of money off Afria stock and put options. So I've been making a really good amount of money lately off, just trading stocks. But, that's just the way it is. Solo, I sold off my call options on Solo, and I used that profit today to buy back in some call options. So we'll see where Solo goes, but if Solo keeps going down, I'm gonna keep loading up on call options because I'm not gonna get greedy. Getting greedy could make you lose a lot of money, but also you can make a lot of money if you get greedy too. But with options, always remember to never be greedy and always make small positions because that's how you make money. That's how I make money anyways on call options. Canopy could be a really good put right now. Really good put. We just need to learn when earnings is, and we gotta gamble that the earnings are gonna disappoint. I almost guarantee you, 99.9% guarantee you that, no, not 99.9, I say 90% chance that Canopy stock will crash after earnings, but we'll see what happens. The SPY did a nice little recovery today after a big crash early in the day. We'll see where this goes. The big selling candle right here, but the stock but the market just kept going up. 40 million either shorted or bought or something, but wow, that's a big candle. Workhorse probably going to be volatile for a while. I would say a good buying opportunity would be $20. If that breaks, 15. I would say, just keep gradually buying on the way down because $15 is a no-brainer. Actually, a no-brainer would be $2, but I don't think that's going to happen. Unless the market crashes. $15 would be like a no-brainer. I don't think it'll go down that low. But we'll see. Nano Dimensions was mentioned on Jack Spencer's YouTube channel today, and the stock exploded to the upside. It's way overbought right now. Way overbought. I would say more bearish than bullish at this point. But hey, that's just my opinion. We'll see what happens. Too bad Solo couldn't have a big explosion today. But hey, whatever. That's just the way the market works sometimes. I'm still holding on to my shares. I haven't sold. I'm planning to wait for the launch event and to see how customers review the vehicle. Wynn Resorts had a decent day today. Yesterday, Jeremy was pumping it. Every time he makes a video about his stocks, that's basically pumping the stock, right? Like, oh, I just bought a stock. I put $100,000 into this stock because I believe in it long term. And I'm just kidding. But yeah. Anyways, this is the kind of stock that is not controlled by retail investors because it requires a lot of money to move. So yeah, even if Jeremy promotes it, people might look at it and be like, yeah, I'm not really that interested. Neo stock is green after hours. Gee, holy moly, I just can't believe Neo. It's just crazy. Giga Metals sell off today. I bought a little bit more shares today. So yeah, Neo. Already talked about Neo. Workhorse. Very today was down 9 cents. GMHI is down 9 cents. DPHC is down 2 cents. Workhorse is down a penny. Hyliion is up. It was down 87 cents today, but up 8 cents after hours. Liberal Health Science is down to... Liberal Health Science didn't really trade today for some reason. It's like got halted or something. Because I don't know what happened, but it didn't really trade too much today. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see where this goes. Cineplex Odeon had a nice little bounce today, but will it fade or will it continue to go up? AMD is pulling back right now. Where will this go? I have no idea. Very, very good food. I already talked about but anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.